Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video we're going to be looking at something called AI Art Illustrator. So you can actually create multiple style options. Now in order to use this feature you need to select Create Design, select the Fast AI Image Designer. Once you select the Fast AI Image Designer you will see a series of tabs. You need to select the one just in the middle called AI Art Illustrator. Now in step one you can select a style. Now the beautiful thing about this is that you have so many powerful styles to choose from, whether you're doing for coloring book, clip art, painting, illustration. Scrolling down you can see whimsical fantasy illustration, comic book illustration, origami. I mean the list is endless. And even you've got Pixar style, oil painting, college art, golden style. So this will allow you to take your designs and actually put them in a style like never before. Okay, it makes it so much easier. Okay, so for this one we're going to select playful cartoon storybook style, and you can see a prompt describing the desired image. So for this so this is actually another great tool. Okay, so there is something called mirror magic. So if you have an example already you can use this and drag and drop. What I mean by that, so what we'll do, I'll show you this one first. So a boy in a car driving along happy. Okay, now you'll probably see the moment I type that in you'll have two icons appear. One, as you're probably familiar now, you can enhance the prompt. Okay, so I can actually take this and allow the AI to build out the prompt, and you can see now anything that I don't want I can go and edit. Okay, so you can see a beautiful nice enhanced prompt, and if I want to just make single edits I can do so using the secondary icon here, where I can just edit the prompt with the AI. Now you've got a number of dimensions to choose from depending on your needs, and you can have a set of quantity to choose from. Now if I take this, I select generate image, and it will be now off to the personal design section to get processed. Now whilst that's getting processed, what we're going to do, actually let's go back, let me just double check. Yes, this was a playful cartoon style book. Okay, so I come back and I'm going to show you another way. So if I'm using mirror magic, let me see if I can find an image we could use. So if I take this, drag and drop, and we're going to allow that to upload and describe it. Okay, I use this prompt and you can see it's re-engineered or deconstructed that image, and why I want it to create it into this style here. Okay, we're not limited to, we've got so many other ones, and I want to do 4 pieces here, and let's go ahead and generate. So this is another way of using mirror magic, so you're not just limited. And check this one out. Here we have the young boy with a smile on his face driving the car as a storybook. Got another one here, driving the car, driving, and here we have he's happy. Okay, now some instances, this is a really good example. You can see that's why having those 4 versions just gives you a better selection of choice. Now in an example or an an instant where you might not get the image you want, or you maybe do like it, okay, because sometimes it can happen with AI. Like say for example here you can see his hands are on the wheel but he's not there. Simply select regenerate, and what's powerful about this is it takes you back to step 2, and it's got all of the information there already. I can select 4 and I can generate image. Now on top of that, what's more powerful enough is if I like one of them I can go to regenerate, but I can now select something completely different in a different style. Let's have a look, Pixar style. Okay, so I can take that again and I can generate image. So instead of me just sticking to one style I can change things around and try something else. And remember that was the image that was created, okay, based off a photo that I updated. You can see with the piano it's recreated it, okay, as a playful cartoon storybook style. So very powerful in that. And here you can see I'm going to make some more versions of this young boy driving his red car, and you can see how it gets even better. Okay, so the more times you do this, the more times you're going to be training artistically, and especially with getting better results. Just having 4 variations, you don't have to, just gives more choice, whether it's for personal or client projects, just to give that ability to the client to say, look, I've created some a nice batch of images, let me know which one's the best and the ones that you want to use. And here we have, look, check this out. So it's definitely gone better. You can see the improvements that it's made. It created these, and here you can see him there. And these ones, look at this one. These ones look even better because they are Pixar style of him driving along. So here we have, you've got one him driving. Some of them, yep, look, you got 2 steering wheels. That's fine. We can always regenerate if we like one. We can always come back and regenerate. But the key thing is, once you find a really good image that you like, there's nothing stopping you from regenerating and trying a different style and really see which one do you like. So we had, let's go for anime now. We'll just do one. So we're going to take the ones that we like. We can choose, we can discard ones, we can remove them, we can delete them, and we can just repurpose the ones that we do like. So, it just gives you that freedom, flexibility, that you're not just stuck and you're not having to go through the same process of copying, pasting, typing in the prompt. It makes it very easy because of that memory with AI, and seeing which one you like or which one you desire, and then you can take it from there. And here we have this one's anime style there and going along in the car. Okay, so that's how you would use the AI art illustrator using Artistly.